You can also use your thin line to go along the edge of your water and kind of dip in to the water and lift out of the water. So you're kind of creating the shape of the wing, the edge of the wing, and giving this butterfly definition, maybe even pattern. Just know that one, you don't have to go all the way around. If you want to just do a little, a little ruffle at the bottom, you can. But if I move into my water, it's going to bloom and bleed. So if you do that on one side, since they're symmetrical, maybe you want to do that on the other side. I'm like so bad with super bright colors. I always want to add brown to everything. So I'm just gonna do my thing over here, add some brown. Okay, now as this dries, you'll be able to work on it a little bit more and add in a little more detail. Detail being, maybe you add in antennae. Maybe as it goes, you add in a little more of the design of our butterfly. Or say you put in some paint and now you want to drag that ink to make a pattern. And if you get to a point where it's like too wet and you can't work on it, go to your next butterfly and come back to it. You can add, layer on, like I can put a more defined body on here maybe. Or also, like, sometimes it's hard to get things symmetrical. You can always add on the outside of your butterfly edge to make this, maybe you want to make this a little bit bigger. If you started your shape and it's kind of looking a little off, you can always add outward and kind of start to balance it. Okay. You can also try and do a dragonfly if you'd like.